Hello friends, let's now enter into exercise 12.2. So till now in exercise 12.1 we have dealt with the problems involving only one triangle. So in this exercise we are going to solve the problems which involves two right angle triangles. Okay, so let us do that now. So let's see first question number 1. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road. From a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So, firstly, let us draw a road here. This is a road. From one side of a road, there was a tower, TV tower. So, let us think that this is a TV tower vertically on one side of the road. From a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So from the point on the other side of the road, from here, from this point to the top of the tower, they have given that angle of elevation. What is the angle they have given from the information? It is 60 degrees they have given. So right here 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. Okay, from another point 10 meters away from this point. From which point? So from this point again 10 meters away. Okay, 10 meters away from this point. What did they tell here? On the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. So this is a line joining this point to the foot of tower. So in this point only 10 meters away from this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So from this point to the top of the tower. So they have given that angle of elevation as 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. So what we need to find? We need to find this height of TV tower and width of the road. This is the width of the road that we need to find. So what will I do here? First put the figure in terms of ABC. So let us write that AB is the height of the tower and so BC is the road. Okay, this point B is one side of the road and point C is on the other side of the road. And point D is 10 meters away from point C. Okay, see here, from another point 10 meters away from this point. So from C 10 meters away, so from D, which is on the line joining this point to the foot of tower. So D is a point on the line joining from C to B. So this is the total line. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So from another point 10 meters away. So from D, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degrees they have given. So we need to find what? We need to find the height of the tower and width of the road. Height of the tower we don't know. So that's why what will I do? I will assume the value as H. And width of the road, I don't know that also. I will take it as X. Okay. I don't know height and I don't know width also. What are the units here they have taken? It's meters. So it is H meters and it is X meters. Clear? So first of all, for any problem, drawing the diagram is most important. So this is the explanation. Till now what I discussed, let me put it in the form of working steps. You can see here I have just written whatever I have discussed with you till now. So we have to find out H, that is height. We want to find out the width of the road also. We don't know either of the values. So I have assumed the height as H meters and the width of the road as X meters. And they have given the distance between the C and D as 10 meters. Also given the angle of elevation from point C is 60 degrees and from point A is 30 degrees to the top of the tower. Same thing I have written here. So when you see the figure here, two right angle triangles are formed. Since here TV tower is a mathematical object, I told you that all mathematical objects are linear in plotting the diagrams in this chapter. So when you see here, two right angle triangles are formed. One is right angle triangle ABC and the one is right angle triangle ABD. Correct? Two right angle triangles are formed. So, with the help of these two right angle triangles, we want to find out these two values. Okay? So, now what will I do? First, let's consider from triangle ABC. Okay? From triangle ABC, see here, in both the triangles from triangle ABC and triangle ABD, what are the sides that are involved? Only opposite side and adjacent side in first triangle, and in the same triangle opposite side and adjacent side. Okay. So, when these two sides are involved, we have to take the applicable trigonometric ratios, either tan or cot. But for making the calculation easier, I am taking tan function only. Tan trigonometric ratio only I am using. So from triangle ABC, I will apply the tan ratio. So what does it become? What is the angle here in the triangle ABC? It's C. So tan C equals to opposite side of angle C by adjacent side of angle C. Okay. So what is C value? Angle C is 60 degrees, right? So tan 60 degrees equals to, what is opposite side of angle C here? See, opposite side of angle C is AB. Adjacent is BC. Okay. Write the same thing here. AB by BC. Okay. What is AB? Height of the tower. Correct. So we have assumed it as H, no? Put it as H. What is BC here? See the figure. What is BC? BC is nothing but the width of the road. That also we don't know. We have assumed it as X. Put the same thing here as X. So we got in the place of AB H, in the place of BC X. What is tan 60 value? It's root 3. Okay. Put this aside. Now let us move on to the second triangle, which is from triangle ABD. Okay. Now let's see the second triangle also. When you see the second triangle ABD, same thing. Opposite side and adjacent sides are only used. Hypotenuse is not involved. So what is the applicable trigonometric ratio? Here also I am taking tan. Okay. Tan, what is the angle taken here as reference? It is angle D. So tan D equals to opposite side of angle D by adjacent side of angle D. Okay. What is angle D value? It is 30 degrees. See, it's 30 degrees. Tan 30 equals to, what is opposite side of angle D? So for this, it is AB. Opposite side is AB. What is adjacent side of angle D for this? What is adjacent side? It is BD. BD will be the adjacent side for this whole triangle. So AB by BD. What is AB value? It is H. We have assumed it as H. Now what is BD? See, BD is nothing but BC plus CD. So what will I write here? In the place of BD, I am writing it as BC plus CD. Write it in brackets since from figure. Okay. So what is tan 30 value? It is 1 by root 3. Therefore 1 by root 3 equals to H by, what is BC value? See here from the figure we have assumed it as X. No, BC is X and CD is 10 meters. So BD is nothing but X plus 10. Okay, in the place of BC I am putting X. In the place of CD, distance between C and D, they have given in the question as 10 meters. So I have substituted here. See, what is the step we got? 1 by root 3 equals to H by X plus 10. Here root 3 equals to H by X. So now what will I do? Two variables are there, H and X. Here also two variables are there. So you just convert either of its variable into another form. How to do that? So X plus 10, I am doing cross multiplication here. X plus 10 equals to root 3H. Okay. So here I am sending X to the left hand side. What does it become? Root 3X. Root 3 into X, it becomes root 3X equals to H. So put this as equation 1. So now in the place of H, can I substitute this root 3x? Yes, you can substitute. So in order to find out either of the variables first, you have to substitute in the second variable in any of its other form. It means x and h are there. So you don't know two values also. You have to find out one. Then what you have to do, you have to convert another variable in terms of first variable. So from this equation 1, I am going to substitute h value as root 3x. So it becomes x plus 10 equals to root 3 into root 3x. Write in brackets since equation 1. Okay. X plus 10 equals to root 3 into root 3, it becomes 3x. So from this, when I send x to the left hand side, it becomes 10 equals to 3x minus x is equals to 2x. When 10 equals to 2x, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Therefore, x equals to 5. What is this x? X is nothing but, let's see here, what did we here assume as x? Width of the road is x. We got x value. Clear? So, from this what can we write? Therefore, width of road equals to x equals to 5 meters. You have to definitely mention units also. Clear? Now, one is solved. Width of the road is done. We need to find out the height of the tower also. How to find? You can substitute the value of x in the equation 1 so that you will get the h value. Therefore, what will I do here? I'm doing continuation. Okay. Put x equals to 5 in equation 1. When you substitute, what do we get? Root 3x equals to h. So, root 3 into 5 equals to h. Therefore, h equals to root 3 into 5, it becomes a 5 root 3. What is this h? It's nothing but height of the tower. You have to mention the units also. Therefore, height of tower equals to h equals to 5 root 3 meters. Clear? So this is the solution for question number 1. So it's very easy once you understand the concept. Clear? So first of all, drawing the diagram is more important. See here, I have explained you clearly. First we need to plot the diagram and two triangles are formed. With the help of one triangle equation, we are going to substitute the equation in the second triangle. See, one triangle equation, we are going to substitute this equation in the second triangle so that you'll be getting the value of one variable. So with the help of the one variable value, you have to substitute again in the equation 1 so that you'll get the value of another variable also. This simplifications and all we have learned in our class 6 only. Okay, so I hope you understand this video. In case you like my explanation, do like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.